The most valuable company in the world, Nvidia, has posted blowout earnings, profits that have jumped 65% to now reach $31.9 billion. It's also recorded the highest ever revenue that it has seen in its history. Eye popping numbers seem to have now calmed some nerves amid heated speculation of an AI bubble, of overspending by global investors in investments that were seen on these Silicon Valley makers creating services and products that was seen as way ahead of demand. But now remember, Nvidia controls 90% of the market for chips that are used in AI projects, and its financial performance has actually become a bellwether for what can be expected for the rest of the tech industry as well. So let's try and understand how big is Nvidia. Nvidia has become the first ever company in the world, publicly listed and traded company, that has seen its market value go beyond $5 trillion. Remember, there's also a projection that sees Nvidia's market cap surging beyond $20 trillion by 2030. Already, its revenue has gone up 10 times in just the last 3 years as well. It is seen as the king of profits. Nvidia's profits have been seen equating more than 500 listed companies in the US in their profits. Also, the profit of Nvidia are double of what all Nifty companies have recorded as profits as well. Remember, in 2025, in the last 9 months, Nifty companies have recorded a profit of $35 billion, whereas in the last 9 months, we have seen Nvidia's profits cross over $71 billion as well. Not just that, Nvidia's market cap is also bigger than many of the countries' GDP itself. Look at even Canada, France, UK, all of their GDPs, and even Germany, that's lesser than Nvidia's market cap right now.